Hi, I'm Angus McLean from Yardmaster. We're here at the outskirts of Invercargill at the Southern Dairy Hub farm. The farm was purchased and converted by a group of industry interested parties, Dairy NZ, Ag Research, Southern Dairy Development Trust. One of the main roles of the Southern Dairy Hub farm, why it was set up, is so they can monitor performance levels and production levels. So it's a typical Southland dairy farm location, quite a high rainfall, quite heavy soils.
The key decision factors for choosing our effluent system supplier were mainly around the knowledge that the company already has in this field and the experience that they've got. Great product. One of the key things, the design concept that was brought into play, gave the hub a fair bit of confidence that A, we were going to be able to meet Dairy NZ's good practice guidelines, and also go a fair way towards making sure that we were meeting our obligations under the local regional council guidelines and our consent conditions. So for those reasons, they were the choice.
We run through a double weeping wall system, 2 submersible pumps transfer over to the pond, and from the pond we then use a Yardmaster multi-stage pump to pump out to the irrigators. The overall system is managed by our Halo that allows control and monitoring to be done remotely.
So Halo is very important in the system, and it's probably the key factor for us. The most surprising benefit we've seen in the system operation is the fact that in this first 6 months that we've had it on stream, it's been simply without problem, and normally in a first year conversion, new technology has all sorts of problems. It's been great.
Another advantage with the Halo system is that we can also monitor other things that are happening on the farm. Water level out of the well, what flow per litres per second that's coming through it, the milk temperature coming into the vat, and that's very important that we can monitor that remotely as well. Also on the vat there's a proximity switch which we can determine whether the valve on the vat is actually closed before milking starts.
Waterforce Winton, in conjunction with Yardmaster, installed the system we've got here, and the support we've had with them post-conversion has simply been fantastic.
I think one of the strengths about the Halo system is that the data is actually stored. So while the system is running, we can tell that everything is in parameter and is functioning as it should do. If for a fault or another reason something is happening that we're not happy with, we know. So if a pipe comes off and the effluent is flooding, we know. It just takes all the risk out of it for us, and we can monitor it from wherever. We're not tied to the location or wondering what's happening on farm. We can see it any time.
Just that access to information anywhere, at any time, is just invaluable. The Halo system gives us great confidence, and not only for the farm team, but the management team, and also the board for the Southern Dairy Hub, that we are meeting our obligations around the Resource Management Act and the effluent that we're putting on. And for me personally, that makes me sleep at night.